COVID-19 has changed the world in more ways than one, such as the discouragement of using public utilities such as water fountains. All around campus, there are signs discouraging the use of water fountains. But what if you need to use one and are worried about touching a contaminated surface? Our hands-free fountain attachment can help.
While researching the market, we found that if you had a regular hand operated water fountain but wanted to upgrade to a touchless unit, you had to buy a whole new water fountain unit. As a team, we created the idea of having a removable add on for water fountains to transform the hand operated unit to a touchless unit. Since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, hand hygiene in hospitals has gone up 10%, thus inferring that people are more interested in sanitary options for everyday tasks. Considering the number of fountains that can be found on average in these densely populated areas such as schools, hospitals, and malls, there's an opportunity for a large market that would invest in the hands-free fountain attachment.
Currently in the market, there is no other product that allows for existing drinking units to become fully hands-free. Our product keeps customers from having to upgrade to an entirely new unit. A question asked during the rocket pitch regarding the cost of drinking fountains. Initially, we answered with the price of push-button fountains, but realized later that this data was not part of our focused area. Our focus is the touchless drinking fountain market, and the LK fully touchless refrigerated water fountain starts at $1,297 just for the unit itself. For a school to go through, replacing all of their existing units would be extremely costly, and our product allows them to keep their existing units and upgrade them to fully touchless for less than half the price of a whole new unit. Our price makes us stand out in the drinking fountain market, and we believe that customers will choose our product due to the expensive cost of upgrading to an entirely new unit. Currently, the only add-on that adds any touchless integration to existing drinking fountains is the LK retrofit bottle filling attachment for their own existing unit. However, this still requires the manual operation of the direct water to mouth drinking component of the unit and is only fully touchless when filling a bottle. Our product allows for any existing unit to become fully touchless. Our product is one of a kind.
As seen around campus since the pandemic, there have been signs discouraging the public from using drinking fountains. Our product offers the use of drinking fountains without worrying about contamination. In addition, the price of the hands-free fountain attachment is 70 to 80% less expensive than the leading competitor, the LK Touchless Fountain. As mentioned previously, our product does not require our customers to replace the whole unit.
Our hands-free fountain attachment is activated by an infrared motion sensor, similar to those found in touchless sinks and paper towel dispensers. When triggered, the motion sensor will activate a stepper motor, pushing an existing fountain button for a set time. The design of the hands-free fountain attachment caters towards a positive customer experience that considers the process of attaching and maintaining the unit. As a team, we wanted to develop a product that would avoid costly installations and would not require skilled maintenance, making the hands-free fountain attachment more accessible. For the attachment, an adhesive is used to avoid any invasive methods that could cause permanent damage to the water fountain, such as drilling or replacing parts of the fountain. The ease of installation and maintenance allows for customers to have more choice in which fountains in their establishment will feature the product. This also allows the option to switch to a different fountain if necessary. Additionally, the lower section of the product slides off for customers to replace the 9-volt batteries powering the unit.
Using the engineering process, our team researched problems that needed solutions, settled on a problem, brainstormed, created an idea, produced a 3D model using computer software, and are now on the transferring the product from the design stage to the consumer market. The hands-free fountain attachment is similar to the touchless water bottle refill stations, which helps provide an already given target audience. Aiming the hands-free fountain attachment to places with a large amount of foot traffic, such as hospitals, schools, and malls, would help to promote the awareness of spreading germs. This idea being pushed more now than ever with the pandemic. In order to uphold our goal of reducing the spread of bacteria and viruses, launching our product efficiently in a timely manner for this time is crucial. We hope to finish refining the design in about 6 to 9 months. After that, we plan to finish manufacturing the product and to start the push towards bringing it to the market in 12 to 18 months. Obtaining the patent and any regulatory law processes will require 3 to 4 years.
To calculate the cost of our product, we first found the direct cost, such as the cost of components and the cost of labor. These costs scale with the number of units, and in total, we estimated a price of around $114.75 per unit. We then estimated indirect costs. These include general costs that are involved in running the business and do not scale with the number of units sold, and we estimated them to be about $11,969. We also estimated our salary based on the entry-level pay for an engineer, including payroll taxes, to get an amount around $29,565. In order to calculate the unit cost of the product, we converted the direct cost to a cost per month using an estimate of 1,000 units sold per month based off of our market size. We then added in indirect costs in the salary and divided by 1,000 to get a break-even cost of $156.28. We decided to offer the product at $250, which would lead to a profit of $93.72 per unit for a 37% profit margin. During the rocket pitch, one question that was asked of us was how much the product would cost and what would be the profit margin. We initially answered this with a product cost of $300 and a profit ratio of around 30 to 40%. However, after completing a more thorough cost analysis, we came to a new slightly lower price of around $250. Our profit ratio maintained in the same range, though.
An abundant amount of drinking fountains are found in schools. The CDC states that students should have access to drinking water at all times of the day. They express that one requirement should be one drinking fountain per 100 students. With 15.3 million high school students enrolling as of 2019, there is a maximum of roughly 150,000 water fountains in high schools found in the United States alone. Using these numbers to justify our market size, our team believes that it is practical to target schools as our primary customer. As COVID-19 has impacted our normal lives, the use of drinking fountains is discouraged, and we believe that schools will be the first to take advantage of our product. While schools are our primary customer, we intend to expand to targeting hospitals as well as other public areas.
Other than schools, hospitals, malls, and other buildings will be another target audience. Since the pandemic, the way we view health is becoming more and more of a priority. Health has always been important, but after a deadly and contagious virus spread, it has been taken more seriously. The market for germ-killing or germ-conscious products is growing more popular. Surface cleaners, soaps, hand sanitizers, and air disinfectants has seen a spike in purchases. Having a market that is large but rapidly gaining ground is important, and the hands-free fountain attachment fits that market.
The product offers a never-before-seen design for drinking fountain. Not only will citizens feel safer while using the drinking fountain, it's economical and will not require special installations. For that, we are seeking $2 million for 20% stake equity. During the rocket pitch, one question asked was why we seeked help from an electrical engineer. Although our team is quite diverse in our fields of expertise, electrical engineering is not in our strengths. And designing a safe product around water is important. So let's all drink more and touch less.